Hey guys, today in this video, we're going to talk about how you can send HD photos to someone on Instagram. So, the first thing that you need to do for that is you have to go to your App Store, and here you have to write Instagram. And once when you write Instagram, you have to make sure that your application is up to date, because sometimes when the app is not up to date, problems can arise after that situation if your app is not up to date. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to update your Instagram. Once when you're done with that, you have to open the app. And once when you're here, for example, if I want to send an HD picture to someone, I'll go here and I am gonna go to one account that I find suitable to send. Okay, so I'm gonna send this user an HD picture. So this is what you need to do if you want to send an HD picture to someone as well. So you have to click here on this picture icon, and here's the picture I'm gonna select. And here you can see there is HD written in small alphabets. You have to click that. Now, once when you click that, once this HD is highlighted, that means the HD feature is on. If you click it again, it's going to be off. Let me just click it again. Here you go. It's on again. So you have to make sure whenever sending a picture to someone that it is HD, like the HD feature is turned on. So if I click send, then the HD picture is going to send. It might take some time because obviously HD pictures are heavy, but you can see there is HD written on top of it. That means that it's the high quality picture. Let me just unsend it. So this is how you send an HD picture to someone. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.